Do you want jewelry that is not just beautiful, but also protects your energy and enhances your aura? Yes? Okay, so I'll let you in on our beautiful collection today. Hi, I'm Rina. I am the creator of Wealth by Rina Wellness Jewelry. It's the Philippines' first energy-infused, demi-fine wellness jewelry. And today, I'll share with you more about our, rings. Ang rings natin. So, what you'll notice is, I'll send here the link. Our rings have meaning. Okay, so it has metaphysical properties. So, ito yung left-hand side ko. You'll see here that this is where I wear the moonstone. So, yung left hand natin, it is receiving. Okay, so, for us women, I'm also working mom. We're naturally, kapag naka-work mode ka, masculine energy, di ba? You're strategizing, you're talking to people, you're doing sales, you're the leader. Di ba, ang dami mong ginagawang masculine energy, doing, right? However, meron tayong part din ng ating persona is a mom and also a wife or a partner, di ba, or a girlfriend. Shift naman tayo ng energy niyan. So, ano naman tayo? A feminine flow naman tayo. So, if you wanna enhance, I literally work this kasi mataas yung masculine energy ko before. So, I have this awareness and this is what I'm sharing with you. Kasi most of the women that I talk to are empowered women. They are also business owners. They are well-meaning, pero they want help on that shift. So, ito, moonstone. Okay? So, you can definitely work with that. Moonstone is a powerful feminine energy enhancer for women. You use it and wear it on your left finger. Okay, so this one naman is brown chalcedony. It's actually 2025 color of the year, so it's just nice together there. This one is copper, so I'm sharing this with you so that you get to appreciate more what these are for, right? Copper enhances energy flow, so it's a very good spirit conductor of energy on copper. Okay, so what's nice is it also holds up yung kanyang color. And the one in the middle is Swarovski. So it has this beautiful shine to it. So you can definitely wear it with your natural na meron ka na rings, diba? Whether heirloom yan or rings that you like. These are beautiful pieces that you can go with it. Okay, so that's Swarovski, Austria Swarovski. And on the other side naman ng hand ko, these are mostly ito na yung parang giving side. Okay, whereas the left hand natin is where you want to receive. Yan, so this is the moonstone, that brown chalcedony. You can use it here. The right side, this is where you can use your copper series. So for the copper, this one that you're seeing is silver na copper. It also goes with gold, and it also has red copper. Ang ganda din ng red copper actually. So I should use it one time, no, pag minodel ko sa inyo. I'll make another video. It's so beautiful kasi it parang blends well with the skin tone. So, and it's very unique also. So, what I like about this is nagtatagal siya. Yung kanyang color at saka yung properties niya. Okay? And this one is spinel. Spinel is also a very powerful stone. It heals on 24 levels. Ang tawag nga sa kanya is actually it kills cancer cells. Ganun ang powers ni spinel, di ba? Kasi usually, yung mga diseases in the body may affect, mayroon siyang relation sa pag hindi congruent yung ating mind, yung ating body, and ating spirit. So, just take the case of, let's say, anger. Anger is stored in the liver. O, di ba may mga ganun pala, no? So, whether it's forgiveness that you need or to worry less, kung high stress, ang nakaka-help itong si spinal. It's so funny. Actually, I have an own testimony of this kasi I've been hearing na for those using it, nakaka-help siya mag-protect ng energy. Mas hindi ka drained. Okay? So, Wealth Verena pieces are actually energy protecting pieces. It helps heal in mind, body, spirit, and also aura enhancing. It has aura enhancing benefits. What I also want to highlight is itong copper together with this spinal, yung mga black tourmaline series natin. It actually neutralizes EMF, electromagnetic frequency. Okay, so it helps shield you from the outside, protects you from the inside and shields you from the outside also. Okay, this beautiful piece that you see, itong parang purplish, actually ano siya deep, ano tawag dito? This is also 2025 color of the year, itong purple. Ayan. So this is natural iolite. Okay, so ang natural iolite naman is for financial responsibility. So all of these I'm sharing with you it has metaphysical properties and magandang quality niya. And in NLP, I'm also an NLP master practitioner. Ang tawag namin dito is anchoring. So when you see, I'll send here the link for the Wealth Verena store. You'll see the properties of the stones. I'd like for you to see it as a way to remind you of that energy which you want to work with. Ganun ka-simple, di ba? It's, non-religious, huwag mong haluan ng mga ganon. It's just simply anchoring. Anchoring the energy that you want to work with. So, example for this one, for those who want, for 2025 is more financial responsibility. That means there's money coming in. You want to be more conscious of where it goes, what you do with it. You can wear this, diba? Parang, nare-remind ka of that energy which you want to work with. Spinal, madami nag-order actually sa akin nito, especially for health concerns. And this copper, definitely yung copper series natin, there's silver, there's red copper, there's gold, and black gray na copper like this. You can use it definitely kung lagi kang lagi ka may cellphone or gadgets, and lagi may phone or gadgets, kasi it protects you para hindi ka madaling nangangala yung hands, and also keeps your energy intact. Alright, so that's for our wellness rings. Ang good news ko for you is, and I'll make a next video on it also, this has already upgraded to wire. Kasi, ang intention ng Wealth Verena is to support you na long term you can use it. Okay, so, naturally, karamihan na ganito ay string, right? So, we had the shipment na made, and we're gonna use wire for this so that it's more durable, it's sturdy, and you can work with your rings for a long time. Okay, so this is perfect for us working women, for us working moms, working hands, kasi kaya niya mag-keep up with the work that we do and still stay pretty and lit up with our beautiful pieces.